of Discovery, Education, Fun and Fellowship. I hope you guys have a start of it. I hope you are enjoying it already.
That's not very good. Much bigger than that. Come on.
Most of you have traveled thousands of miles to come here to enjoy this convention filled with the fun. I promise that you won't be unhappy. On behalf of AKMG, I welcome all of you to this great function which is going to be for 7 days. Some of you came from England, some came from UAE, some came from India, especially Cochin. I welcome you for this convention. As promised before, this convention will be unique and most enjoyable. AKMG never had a 7-day convention before, but that's why this is going to be very unique and it's going to be fun-filled and also have a great educational value. Our convention team, Dr. Sunil Kumar, the chairman, and the co-chairs, Usha Mohandas, K.R. Baiju, and Sam Edward. They have done a wonderful job and they have arranged a fantastic convention for you. And Sanjay Goyal, who is sitting on the right side, who is in Cruise Connections Canada, has helped us with the support his staff to organize this function. We had a relationship that goes to the last 3 years. And I want to congratulate him for helping us. And I also want to welcome those artists who came from India. The playback singer Venugopal, Gayatri Ashokan, Sharat, Samuel, Vaibhav Joshi, George Abraham and Shibu Kurian. They are all going to entertain you starting tomorrow. We will have a Ghazal Sandhya tomorrow evening and day after tomorrow. Then we have a karaoke night and then we have a movie night. Then we have our usual campus night, comedy night followed by our grand finale. So we have arranged you 6 major functions during this cruise. At this time, I want to thank some of my friends who made it so easy, who used their influence to call their friends, especially Krishna Prasad, Tom Mukada, Joseph Karimbu, all my friends, all those friends who helped me to bring their friends here, appreciate. We have 545 people here today. Thank you very much. Again, I promise this is going to be one of the unique functions of AKMG, and I don't want to extend my words anymore. I would invite Dr. Sunil Kumar to come and give you some housekeeping announcement. Thank you very much.
This is a freestyle cruise. That's what they call it. That means it's a freestyle AKMG convention. What happens in Norwegian Pearl stays in Norwegian Pearl. Is that okay with everybody? Perfect. Okay. Food is going to be fantastic. There is absolutely no question about it. Just a few things. I know Dr. Pillai already introduced the convention team. When he spoke to me about, I believe about 2.5, 3 years ago about an AKMG convention in a cruise ship, and he said, you're going to be the convention chair. I was kind of hesitant initially. He said, cruise ship and convention, I think it is going to be phenomenal. But I'll tell you, there's one man behind all these things, the brain behind AKMG convention. We call Dr. Pillai Arvind is a pillar of AKMG, but the brain behind this is Dr. Kareem. Huge round of applause for Dr. Kareem. Now we talk about technology, and that's a man with technology. He texts me at 11 o'clock at night or 2 o'clock in the morning. If I text him, he will text me back with an information or a suggestion. I want to thank you, Dr. Kareem. And a couple of seconds, Usha, are you there? That's Usha, that's our convention co-chair. Baiju KR, Baiju somewhere there? I think he's hiding. And Sam is right here, Sam Edwards. And those are your co-chairs, and I'll be your housekeeper for the next 7 days. Now, just because I said freestyle convention doesn't mean we can start when we want, we can finish when we want. It's absolutely not going to happen in this cruise ship. And it's very, very important that we start every program on time and we finish everything on time. The reason is there are 2 other big groups. They're having their conventions in this cruise ship and they have to also accommodate about. Now again, welcome all on board. Welcome to the convention, especially AKMG delegates, family and children. And we do have some non-AKMG friends. A round of applause for the non-AKMG friends of ours. I hope everybody turned their cell phone data download and emails, because 12 miles off the shore in the cruise ship, the charge is extremely high. I just want to make sure everybody has that down. Once you are on land in Alaska, anywhere in the port, you can use it up to 10 miles. If you leave it on otherwise, you have automatic download and your charges are going to be extremely high. Just a warning.
तू ही